In this video, PAX will introduces one of our company's most popular products. It's a tire sealant. First of all, it must be emphasized that its biggest advantage is eco-friendly, non-toxic, and water-zero natural latex. Then step-by-step instructions on how to use the sealant. Step 1. Use a Presta valve core to remove the valve core. Step 2. The bottle must be shaken vigorously for at least 1 minute to make sure all the contents are thoroughly stirred. Step 3. Insert PAX Tire Sealant and squeeze it into the tire for bikes. Step 4. Reinstall the valve core to make sure it is tight enough. Then slowly spin the tire. It only needs to take 30 seconds to distribute the sealant evenly inside the tire. Step 5. Re-inflate your tire using a pump or air compressor. Use such a convenient and efficient way to quickly repair your bike and hit the road with ease. If you are interested in this product, please place an order now. Trust PAX will never let you down.